Hello everyone! WhatsApp has just rolled out its brand new feature, Channels. Wondering what it's all about? Stay tuned. First off, channels aren't the same as WhatsApp group. While groups are for chatting, channels are one-way platform where admins broadcast messages, photos, and videos. Think of them as WhatsApp's answer to Instagram stories. Channels don't mingle with your personal chats. Instead, you'll find them in a separate Updates tab. Well, privacy matters. For all privacy fans, here's some good news. With channels, neither admins nor followers can view each other's personal info, and your contacts won't know which channels you're following. Then, we will go on joining a channel. Joining is a breeze. You can use invite links or the find channels feature, which lets you search and join. Here's a hot tip. You can monetize your channel by charging a monthly fee. While WhatsApp doesn't offer this directly, platforms like Nazio lets you do it. And guess what? You don't need thousands of followers to start earning. Currently, this feature is rolling out in Colombia and Singapore, but we're expecting it to hit global shores soon. So, WhatsApp channels are set to redefine our interaction on the platform. Are you excited about the new feature? Drop your thoughts below. And if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye.